So if you're a member of the lucky few that have a Nvidia RTX 3000 series Founders Editions graphics card, by the way, check out how the RTX 3090 performs with a 4th gen Intel CPU. The results may shock you, literally. Anyway, if you're a member of that lucky Founders Editions club, Corsair has partnered up with Nvidia to provide RGB support for the graphics card via the iCue software. All you need to do to get RGB control of your graphics card is update or install the latest iCue software. The current version at the time of this video is 3.36.125. Download links are in the description below. So once you've done that, open up the iCue app and you should see your Nvidia RTX 3000 series card instantly recognized. Click on your beautiful Nvidia RTX 3000 series graphics card. You should see the current state of the RGB lights. It does not change color of the front GeForce RTX lights, but it does the top and bottom lights. So once you've selected your graphics card, you should see the lightning effects on the left side. Click that. Since this is our first time, there is no lighting effect, so click on the add button. Voila! Enjoy your out of stock RGB. You can select all different types of modes, rainbow wave, color shift, create custom modes, and etc. You can even sync it up with the rest of your Corsair RGB products. Anyway, thanks for tuning in for this short demo. Please subscribe for more. It really helps a new channel like mine out a lot.